this one's a little bit more emerald than the blue one yesterday.
Mm.
Man, look at that glacier up there. Wow, beautiful place. And that glacier at the end of the lake.
Go, boy.
Taking some pictures. Kind of reminds me of when we were in Cody.
Oh, yeah.
What's the name of that park there?
You would have to ask me.
We had the big granite rocks and everything. You had to walk around the lake.
Oh.
That was in South Dakota.
Yeah, it's called Sylvia.
Sylvia, Lake Sylvia.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like,
Beautiful.
this is amazing.
So Mr. C got a hot dog.
Yep.
And he says it's good.
Really good. All the fixings, fries are great. Yeah.
Everything's great.
Good.
And y'all, they have this stuff here. Let me see if I can get it. The plum sauce. This is the bomb. It is really, really good. And of course, you've seen my chicken fingers. They are perfect. Crunchy on the outside, moist on the inside. And fries, I love these fries. Nice.
Very good. And we're fixing to go that way after we eat.
And we are at the Lake Louise Sky, what's it called? Ski Louise. We're at the ski slopes. And we're going to go up the mountain. what do you call that thing? The gondola?
Mm-hmm.
We're going on the gondola. Yep.
They have one for winter and one for summer.
There it goes. We'll be out there in a little bit. Woohoo!
Good picture. This place is beautiful. Wow, laid out great.
This is the game zone, y'all. Look at there. Got cornhole. Checkers.
Beautiful lawn.
Yeah.
Look at the lodge. Turn to your left. There's nobody there.
Yes, Mr. Childers.
I'm playing director, y'all. I get to play director. She lets me once in a while.
It's a pretty place, I can tell you.
Beautiful.
And on the bottom part here is restaurants.
Restaurants, and you get your tickets, your lift tickets, your slope tickets, whatever it is they sell for skiing. We got our gondola
And
ticket.
this is Lake Louise
Ski Lodge. It's across the highway from Lake Louise, which is about 6 miles from here. But we'll see.
The lodge was not in our budget, y'all.
Well, we did good.
We did good. All right, we're about to go get on that. Y'all look here. The lift is called the Grizzly. I think that's funny. But supposedly, we may be able to see some bears wandering around down below. Awesome. Bobby's excited for this. All right, up the mountain we go. And we are in an open seating. We didn't want to be in an enclosed. It's such a beautiful day.
Oh, it's perfect. About 70 degrees. Slight little breeze. Oh, calm down now. Calm down.
Yep.
Man, this is great. So quiet.
Oh my gosh, really?
You too.
It's hard to get away from noise here. It's so busy.
We're trying to get things fixed.
Yep.
When the winter hits, forget it.
Exactly. So we're on the summer,
Gondola.
and that over there is the winter. Door in those. That's nice. So if you do get one of the enclosed ones, the door has windows in it. Nice. I know somebody's going to ask me what those black things are.
Snow
These-
shooters. Snow
Well,
streamers or snow makers.
and lights, because people
Lights?
ski at night. Oh, it's fun to ski at night, especially if it's lit up. If it's not, forget it. This is a pretty smooth ride.
It's great.
I'm excited. It was a little bumpy when we took off, but
Well, the tram at the bottom, the tram's gonna be that way.
yeah.
This day started out great. Once you get here and learn how you have to work the stuff here,
Right.
understanding all the rules and the permitting and everything, it runs pretty smooth after that.
It does.
Man, there's some tall little pines, like lodgepole pine.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what these are, black spruce or what they are. I don't know.
Look behind us.
Man, what a
That's
view.
awesome.
That's for sure. We'll climb that behind us. That glacier is the one that feeds Lake Louise.
Exactly. I don't know if we'll be able to see it soon.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
But
climb up here.
that's pretty
Wow.
sweet. I haven't seen any bear yet. People must be getting on and off right now. Construction.
They're putting some buildings over there. They're grading that off and grading it level and everything. They're going to put a lodge or something over there. They're grading it all off. Makes sense. You have a good view from up there.
Yeah. Oh, for sure.
Worth it. Worth the extra $10.
Exactly.
That whole trip for yesterday cost us $90 a piece. The taxes and all the fees, it came out to about at $200.
Right. But that
It's
included.
Canadian, so
Yeah.
it'd be about $180 for us.
Yeah.
But that included our gondola, our trip to Lake Lorraine.
No,
Shut-
more rain.
I mean, more
More
rain.
rain.
And man, that was a good day yesterday.
That was an excellent day.
Then we went to the Truffle Pig
Yep,
and had a pretty good burger and fries.
we surely did. Apparently there's not a lot of people that take this. I mean, most of these are empty.
I like it. Suits me.
Me too.
This is a good way to spend money.
Yeah, I do like this. It's been a long time since I've been on a ski lift.
I've never been on one.
Never?
Oh.
You've never been on a lift like this? All of the traveling you did.
It was always those trams.
Oh, where we had to stand up.
When I was in Rio,
Right.
it was all trammed up to the top of the mountain there where the Christ is at.
Yeah. Well, this,
Some things you just never forget, and I ain't never forgot that.
right.
That's something I like to take you on. We're going to go to Rio. We'll go down there. We'll hang out.
All of my ski lifting was done in North Carolina. Yep, Sugar Mountain. What was the other one called?
Well, didn't we take something when we were in Stone Mountain, Georgia?
Did we?
It wasn't this, though. It was a tram.
That's right. It was a tram.
What do you do? Get off up there and kind of ski down and walk across and just go all the way back down the
Well,
mountain?
they have.
Try to have a mark for you.
Yeah, they usually have an expert, an intermediate,
Holy mackerel, who's going to come down that one?
somebody who is an expert,
Not me.
and
I'll watch 'em.
a bunny slope. They have bunny slopes.
That's for me.
Where they're short, where you're learning. And we're coming in for a landing. Once you get to where that, you'll be able to get a good shot. Trying to teach Bobby how to take photos with the iPhone. Make him a real techno.
I'm techno amateur right now.
Oh, there's the lake.
Wow.
You see it?
What a scene.
That's awesome.
Wow. How beautiful is that?
That is gorgeous.
Sorry about that.
But up close and personal is awesome.
Oh, yeah. Better view. You're over there, ideal spot on the right side, because I got the cable in my way here. I have still some of your photos.
Okay. I guess I'll let you do that.
It's so quiet and peaceful.
Yes. Little bit of wind.
Man, is that nice. Look at that. Sweet is that.
My favorite part of going skiing when I was a kid was hanging out in the lodge drinking hot chocolate.
Flirting with the boys. He's a nice guy.
Oh,
I'll take him. He's cute. Look at him. Wish I would have shown up. Party had been on then.
So the buses show up right here to let you off and pick you up. But the parking lot 250 cars. It goes all the way back to those trees there. It's enormous. Oh, and by the way, they do not have your poles numbered, so you better remember where you're parked. And we like to park on the end. See, you can see our truck right there, so that, you know, if we're walking the path, we can see our vehicle. And we didn't know it, but you can bring your RV up here,
A
van, whatever, and park right here on either side.
of the highway. Where
Yes.
the ski lodge is.
Yes. Nice. This video was just the first half of the day. I'll pick up the rest of this day in the next video. Stay tuned. It was fun.